Hey besties, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, my name is Lindsay. I love makeup, skincare, and hanging out with you guys. And in today's video, we're going to be doing the June Boxycharm base box unboxing. Now, I have already peeked. I know there's something from Voss, but I'm not sure of anything else. So let's jump right in. For starters, you guys already know Boxycharm is a beauty box subscription where I believe you spend like $27.99. And then you get 5 full-size beauty products that always retail over $150. Typically, lately for me, it's been about $150 worth of products, which I still think is really great. By the way, this video is not going to have like any clips in it because of the fact that I am recording on my phone. I might do iMovie and clip it, but if not, that's why. So if I say anything funny and can't clip it out, that's just what happened. But you guys already know we get this little theme box, or sorry, see what I mean? Say things funny. But the theme card, which is the Boxycharm Express Yourself. We're in Pride Month. I appreciate it as a lesbian. So it has all of the products we're gonna get along with their descriptions and price points. So starting with the Violet Voss Sun Kissed Summer Pro Series Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. This is what the palette looks like on the outside. And then I'll go ahead and open her up. It's so funny because usually I would cut this part so that it doesn't take forever. But here we are. And this is what the packaging again looks like. I do enjoy it. Oh, and I could definitely see myself using this. Specifically, all of these really beautiful warm tones right here, I could definitely see myself getting a lot of use out of. I have some rosy tones going on right here too, which I also really like. But I just recently bought a bunch of rosy palettes, so even though I really like the rosy the rosy shades in here, I don't know if I'm gonna get as much use out of those shades, just because I've been really liking the ones I've added to my collection recently. But I think that this is nice. Now, I don't always use my Violet Voss palettes I'm sent. I hope I use this one though and get that money's worth. This one is $37, and again, you guys already know I get these boxes sent to me, but I've been ordering these since I was literally in high school because I freaking love them, besties. And so I will also put my link if I can for my affiliate link if you guys want to sign up. Thank you in advance if you do that. So I really am happy to get that if I use it. Oh, and then from Dr. Brandt, I love Dr. Brandt, you guys, but sometimes I just can't find it in me to like spend that much money. It's so expensive. But we have the Dr. Brandt Backlight Primer Base, which it says Prime, Blur, Glow. I am so excited to have this. I love the brand so freaking much. You should even look up Dr. Brandt and the history between about the brand owner. I fell down that rabbit hole not too long ago, and I was just reading up on him, and he seems like an amazing man before he unfortunately passed away. But anyways, I'm like so off this is why I cut my videos so off topic, but I am very excited about this. I have to say, this is, let me see, $38 if I didn't already say, and probably the thing I'm most excited about if I do like the quality. What do we have next? Oh, then we have the Lip Injection Maximum Plump from Too Faced. This is the outer packaging, and let's go ahead and open her up. And you guys, I don't know if I'm going to be using this only because I have heard that the Maximum Plump is even worse than the regular one, the regular injection, which you guys burns. Like it burns a lot. I don't know if they've updated the packaging or I'm sorry, the formula since then, but I will say the times I have used this product, it has really burned me, or not this specific product, but the injection anyways. So I don't know, you guys, let me know in the comments section if you've tried the Maximum Plump, if I should put this on my lips or not. I'm really not trying to burn you guys. But that's really nice to at least get in there because I know some people stand by the product, even though it can be a bit uncomfortable to say the least. So that product is, how much are you? That is $32. Then we have the Viseart Bronze Noix. I hope I'm saying that right, but I'm probably not in reality. and that is $30. And so what do you look like? Oh, right here. I've never got anything from this brand. You guys tell me in the comments, is it Viseart or is it Viseart? I hope I'm saying these words correctly, but if I'm not, you guys, there's no help for me. So this is what the product looks like. I think this looks actually really nice. So opening it up, this is what we have. So it's a bronzer, you guys. I hope the shade is not too dark for me. It actually looks pretty good. If anything, it's kind of light running. So this is what it looks like on the back of the hand. I feel like that will actually look really pretty with my skin tone. And if it's too light or too dark, I usually cream contour anyways. So I'll adjust the shade of my cream contour depending on how this actually looks on the face. But this I'm actually also very excited about. And one thing I'm noticing is that we're getting makeup instead of skincare, which is usually the case. And I know some people don't like that we get a lot of skincare. Personally, me, I just can't get enough of skincare. I love it. But it's nice that we also have a lot of makeup in, you know, this month's box. And then the last thing we have is from Volt. And it's an eyeliner. It says it's $18, and this is what she looks like. Well, the outer packaging looks like. And opening her up, this is what the pen looks like. Obviously, I'll have to play with this, and if I'm being honest, I don't typically use a lot of liquid liners like this. However, I feel someone just called me the queen of whatever the other day, or sorry, however, so I've been trying not to say it, but I think I'm trying so hard not to say that one word in the back of my head. I'm mixing up and messing up other words. But anyways, let's just say anyways, let's switch it up. So this I will have to try out on my own, but to be honest with you guys, I don't really use liquid liner pens like this a lot. Today I'm actually wearing a an eyeshadow for liner, and I think that looks really lovely, and that's just kind of what I do often. Even when I do black, I'm always using like eyeshadow. I think it's really easy. It doesn't mess up super quickly, and it gives you playroom because you can really just wipe it off, you know, play with it as much as you want. But I think this is also really nice if you do like liquid liner, which I know so many people out there do. This is an option. But that was the whole box, you guys. So let me go ahead. I can't even add it up, so let's do some mental math in our heads. 32, let's just say 30, 37, 40, 40, 50, 60, 70. Okay, 70 plus 30, 100, 110, 140, and then 100, basically $160. I just did all the mental math, but if you guys want to look at the card again, this is what she looks like. But I just added everything up. It's about $160, which is a bit higher than what we've got, you know, typically, like I said, within the past few months, just, you know, looking at it. But I think this is a really great box. I'm actually really excited because it's a lot of makeup going on in here, which, like I said earlier, we don't always tend to see, unfortunately, with the brand. Now, for me, I wouldn't say it's unfortunate. I'm actually a little bummed in my, you know, just to be honest, in my head, just because I really love the skincare so much. But let's be honest, I don't need, you know, to have a billion skincare products. So I am very happy about this. If I had to say what I'm most excited about, I would probably say the bronzer, the primer, and I can't help but be a little bit curious about the Too Faced product. But again, you guys will have to comment down below. Let me know if you guys love it, hate it, what's going on with that. I'm a little bit scared and skeptical, but at the same time, very excited. Let me see how it smells. It smells really freaking good. Ooh, really like nostalgic. I don't know, you guys. But yeah, this was the Boxycharm base box video. I actually, in the back there, I feel like you can see it. I have the, what is it, the Luxe box. And I'll also have that video up for you probably by tomorrow or something like that. but I at least wanted to get this one out for you. I love you. I'm on vacation. I don't know if I said that in the beginning of the video or not, which is why I am not using my regular camera, nor am I in the regular setup, but I still wanted to get this out for you. I love you so much. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like these kind of videos, and I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye.